Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c:" and simply press enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c:/. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:* -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space c:* \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.